If YouTube is not recommending your video, then you need to just do this very fast. You need to do this very fast. I'm going to show you what you need to do very fast to your video. All you definitely need to do is to steal like a pro. Hello guys, welcome to OCHE'S Tech, and in this video, like I told you, I'm going to show you how to steal like a pro. Incorporate that method into your video, and boom, the algorithm will pick your video and start recommending your video. Those gurus that have been doing well, we are going to steal from them, and I will show you the secret they have been using and they have hidden from you from years. So guys, let's go to our YouTube, and then let me show you what you need to do, how you need to steal like a pro, guys, and definitely is working. So on our YouTube, I'm on my YouTube right now, and then what I need to do is to go to the search bar. You go to your YouTube search bar, and then the video title you want to create. Let's say I want to create a video on how to get views on my video, how to get high views on my video. So that's the topic of my video, or the title of my video. So I'll search on this bar how to get views on my YouTube video. You can see how to get views on my YouTube videos. Now I will now search. So when I search, you can see that a lot of videos pop up and rank. But what you need to do here is to steal like an artist. What we'll do is that look at the first video that ranked. This video is by Virginia Kerr. It has 349k views, and it was published 7 months ago. So we are going to steal from Virginia Kerr and then model her and incorporate that strategy into our video. So remember, your video title is how to get more views on your YouTube video. So I'm using that as an example. So what I'll need to do is that if you check the down side of this video, there are 3 dotted line there. You click on that 3 dotted line, and then you click on the share button, and what you do next is to copy the link. You copy that link, and when you copy the link, you head on to your Chrome browser. For those of you that have Chrome browsers on your phone, or Safari, whichever one you've got, you head on to your browsers. And when you head on to your browsers, you are going to go to your browsers and type YouTube. You type YouTube YouTube tag extractor. You are going to type YouTube tag extractor. Now when you type this YouTube tag extractor, you click on any of them, but me, I prefer using TubeRanker. This TubeRanker I've been using, and it has been delivering very well. So you click on the TubeRanker, that's the second option, and what you need to do here is to paste that particular video link. And when you paste the particular video link, you click on extract tag. Now these are the tags that this particular Virginia Kerr has used in her video, that has made her to rank very well and has gotten her 349k views. And this is the tags you are going to use in your video. And when you use that particular tag, definitely the algorithm will pick your video and you will do well. So from here, what you need to do now is to click on select all, and when you select all, you click on copy selected. You click on copy selected. Now those tag has been selected, and when you must have created your videos and all of that, and you are about to upload your videos on your YouTube studio, you now incorporate this particular tag. So from here now, I will now proceed to my YouTube studio, and for you to get your YouTube studio, you can search you can go to your Chrome address bar and type www.studio studio.youtube.com, studio.youtube.com. And when you click on studio.youtube.com, it will now take you to your YouTube studio. But for now, I'm already on my YouTube studio in one of my videos that I'm going to use here as an example, and this is the tag session. Then what I need to do now is to incorporate this tag into my video. So I will come to this tag session and then paste that particular tag here. And when I paste it, boom, and then what I'll need to do next is to save the tags. I'll save this particular tags on my video. When you put this tag when you are uploading your video, and for those videos that you've uploaded, you can do the same thing for them, and they will start ranking on YouTube. So you incorporate these tags, and then the next thing you need to do is to click save. You click save, and then you save the tags on that video while it's published. In less than 48 hours, believe me guys, this video will start doing well. YouTube will start recommending this video. Why this creator is performing well is that this creator has these viral tags that is performing well in their video, and you are not aware of it. And that is why we have used this logic, the search engine logic, the SEO. The SEO here is search engine optimization. This video that rank number 1, we are modeling that particular tags. We are copying that particular channel. That is why I tell you, you still like an artist, and when you extract this tag and put in your video, definitely your video will do well. So this is how to extract viral tags, free SEO tags. You don't need to work, you don't need to search, you just get it for free. If I've added value to you, or you've learned something from this video, don't forget to click the like button, and you can share this video with your friends to learn, for those that are ignorant. And if you have questions in the comment section, do well to drop your question in the comment section, and I will reply you promptly. Thanks for watching till this very moment, and do have a lovely day.